This is the 1982 Volvo I've got for sale on eBay. Everything original, obviously minus the turbo and some other bells and whistles. The decal on the side. Here's where the motorcycle hit. As you might be able to see, there's a little bit of Valent Bondo, and it takes a ghost key to unlock it. The paint's come off from where the diesel has slowly eat away at the paint. Comes with all the tools in the back, just in case you need it. Starter fluid, brake cleaner, water, all the lights work. Premium alloys with new tires. And by new, I mean I got them the other day. Not that they are actually new. Leather seats. Comes with a can of degreaser. A working horn. The turn signal broke, so there are now switches. This is a high beam. This is turn signal. And all this stuff on the dash is what you think it is. Here is the glow plugs. And right now the engine is moderately warm, so I still use them anyway. Let's put on my seatbelt. Safety first. Although I'm in a Volvo, so I probably wouldn't even need it. Yeah. Turn the AC on. This is the fan for the radiator, and on this you can just, it's a manual, and since it's a diesel it drives like a truck, so you just let it on the clutch and it goes. Overdrive, but you have to be going pretty quick for it to work, and it is right here. There it goes. So the transmission all works. I will make a U-turn right here for y'all.